Okay, so today we will be starting with the question and answers of the chapter tsunami, right? Okay, first we will be going through what? First we will be going through the question and answers of chapter 1, part 1 comprehension check. Okay, okay, let me adjust the screen a little bit. The this is the comprehension check part 1 of the part 1. There is no question and answers, it is just the comprehension check. Okay, so this Ignatius lost his wife, two children, his father-in-law and his brother-in-law in the tsunami. So you have to write, is it true or false? So it is true, right? Ignatius did lost everybody except his children. Sanjeev made it to safety after the tsunami. Is it true? No, because first he made it to the tsunami, but then he again went to save his cook, save the wife of his guest house cook, and he was drowned. Meghna was saved by a relief helicopter. True or false? Three is false. Okay. Fourth one is Alma's father realized that a tsunami was going to hit the island. This is true. Her mother and aunts were washed away with the tree and that they were holding on to. True, right? So this is the true and false. There are no questions in the comprehension check part 1. Now we will be shifting to comprehension check part 2. Okay, so let us go to the comprehension check part 2 question and answers. Okay, so this is comprehension check part 2 question and answers. So let me give you a little bit of closer look so that you can properly see. So here are the questions. Okay, and these are the answers. I hope it is clear. Yes, these are the answers of the question above questions. Okay, so we will be moving towards next we will be moving towards the next part. Okay, next part comprehension check. Okay, so we will be moving to the comprehension check part 3. I hope everybody can see the question and answer, right? Okay. Yeah. Okay. So let's move to the comprehension check part 3. So there are only 4 questions in comprehension check part 3. The first one is, in the tsunami 1,50,000 people died. How many animals died? So we know that there were no major cases of animal casualty. There were only 2 carcasses of water buffaloes. Okay, there is no data. How many people and animals died in Yala National Park? We have that there were only 60 visitors and only 2 water buffaloes died at Yala National Park. No other dead bodies were animals are found. Okay, so what do people say about the elephants of Yala National Park? When it was about to hit, that they trumpeted a lot and then they ran to the from Patanangala beach. They ran to the higher grounds. Okay. What did the dogs in Galle do? The dogs of Galle refused to go for their daily run on the beach. Okay. Now let's go to the working with the text. Okay. So this is working with the text. Okay. This is working with the text. This is the first question. I hope it is clear and it is clearly visible. Okay, so here are the questions and these are the solutions. Okay, I hope it is clear to everybody. Okay, going to the next question. It is this: how are Meghna and Alma's story similar? You have to you have to tell how both of them lost their families and everything. Question: what are different ways in which Tilly's parents could have reacted Their behavior, what would have they done if you were in their place? So it is your own imagination that you have to write, but still I have provided some kind of points that you can elaborate on. Okay, so this is the end of it. Okay, so that was the question and answers of tsunami, all the comprehension check and the working with the text. Okay, thank you. I hope everybody completes these question and answers in your English classwork copy.